Google Analytics is mainly about understanding what's going on with your website. First of all, you have to create a Google account. Then you have to create your Google Analytics account and tracking code and add it to your website, and then you can start tracking. Its main use is for analyzing traffic or visitors to your website. When you've created your account, you'll see this standard Google account welcome page. So once you've got your Google account, you can set up your Google Analytics account. So go to this page, click on Start for Free, click on the website option here, give the account a name, and then you have to put the URL in for your website. And then select the industry category closest to the one that your organization operates, and select your time zone for reporting. Click on the Get Tracking ID button, choose the terms of service for the United Kingdom, and you will be presented with a page which gives you a tracking ID. If you, for example, have a YouTube channel, if you're running Google adverts, if you're running online banner adverts, you can put that tracking ID in your YouTube channel. You can put it in your Google ads. You can put it in your emails that you send out. You can track how effectively those things are working. Insert this tracking code here on every page on your website. So you sign into your analytics account using your Google account login. Click on the admin cog and click on the tracking info link. Then click on tracking code, and you should get this message at the top, receiving traffic. So you can see here, this is the Good Exchange website. It's been receiving traffic, so we know it's working.